The idea of a brand new construction home, that's a huge part of the American dream, isn't it? That feeling of being the very first person to live there, all the modern designs, that new house smell. It's a really powerful vision. But as so many people have found out the hard way, that dream can sometimes take a very sharp turn into a real life nightmare. Today, we're going to give you the blueprint to make sure your journey ends with a dream home, not a disaster. So let's be crystal clear about what's at stake here. On one side, you've got the dream, right? Everything is brand new, you get to pick out your perfect finishes, and you move into a home that's built for right now. But on the other side, well, that's where the nightmare lives. We've all heard the horror stories. Leaky roofs after the first big storm, foundation cracks that are just a sign of much deeper problems, getting the wrong appliances delivered, and those endless soul-crushing delays. So the big question is, can you really get that dream experience without falling into one of those nightmare traps? And the answer, believe it or not, is yes, absolutely. But here's the thing. It has nothing to do with luck. It's all about having the right plan, the right information, and the right people on your side before you ever set foot in that beautiful staged Mo home. And that's exactly what we're going to give you today. We'll start by digging into that whole dream versus reality thing. Then, we'll expose the hidden pitfalls that trip up even the smartest buyers. After that, we're going to arm you with a headache-free toolkit, talk about the single most important decision you can make, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with your blueprint for success. All right, section one, dream home, nightmare reality. Let's unpack the promise and the peril. So why is this whole process so much trickier than most people ever imagine? Well, it's because the sales process is designed, masterfully designed, to feel simple. The builder makes it seem like you're just picking a product off a shelf. You walk into this gorgeous model home, there's music playing, it probably smells like fresh baked cookies, you get all excited picking out countertops, and then you sign a big stack of papers. But that simplicity, it's an illusion. You're not just buying a house, you're getting into a long, complicated manufacturing process and a legally binding contract that's going to run your life for the better part of a year. And that leads us right into section two, the hidden construction pitfalls. Now, we're going to pull back the curtain on the three biggest traps that can turn that dream home into a total financial and emotional disaster. Understanding these is absolutely the first step to avoiding them. First up, let's talk about the money. So, what's the actual final price tag on your new home gonna be? One of the biggest shocks for new construction buyers is the huge gap between that advertised base price and the final number they see at closing. That initial price is often just bait to get you in the door. Let me show you just how fast that price can climb. You start with a base price, let's say $450,000, but then, the lot you actually want, the one on the nice cul-de-sac, has a $25,000 lot premium. Then you head to the design center. The standard stuff just doesn't look as good, does it? You get caught up in the excitement, and upgrading the floors and countertops adds another 50 grand. And finally, you've got closing costs, another 15,000. And just like that, your $450,000 home is now $540,000. That's a $90,000 jump, and it's a perfect example of why you need a big cushion in your budget. Okay, the next big pitfall is all about time. You sign the contract, you sell your old place, you give notice at your apartment, all based on that date the builder gave you. But then comes the most stressful question in this whole process. When will my home actually be ready? The answer, way too often, is a moving target. Let's just walk through a pretty typical scenario of how this timeline can fall apart. At month 0, you sign on the dotted line, and the builder optimistically says 6 months. But by month 3, boom, a supply chain issue hits. There's a window shortage. Everything's pushed back. Then at month 5, a week of bad weather turns the whole site into a mud pit, causing another delay. At month 7, when you think you're almost there, there's a problem with a final city permit. Before you know it, you're doing your final walkthrough at month 9, a full 3 months later than you planned. And that means extra rent, storage fees, and a whole lot of stress. And finally, let's talk about the big one, the single most important and honestly most dangerous document in this whole thing, the contract. The question you have to ask is, what am I really signing in this 100-page monster? Most buyers are just so swept up in the moment that they barely glance at it. And that is a massive mistake, because that contract was written by the builder's lawyers for one reason, and one reason only, to protect the builder, not you. So you've got to put on your detective hat and dig into this thing. Here's what you're looking for. First, the warranty. what's actually covered, and more importantly, what's excluded. Second, inspections. Do you have the right to get your own inspector in there at key stages? Third, default penalties. What happens if you have to back out? And what happens if the builder doesn't deliver? Fourth, substitution clauses. Can they swap out the appliances you picked without your permission? And finally, dispute resolution. If it all goes wrong, are you stuck in arbitration or can you take them to court? Knowing these answers before you sign is just non-negotiable. Okay, I know that was a lot of doom and gloom, but don't worry, let's talk about solutions. That brings us to Section 3, your headache-free toolkit. These are the crucial steps to protect your investment and, just as important, your sanity through this process. This is your 4-step toolkit. It's simple, but it's powerful, and it puts you back in the driver's seat. You need to master the builder's reputation, master the contract, master your financing, and then master your representation. Let's break each one down. Step 1 is all about reputation. And I'm not talking about their shiny brochures or their slick website. You need to be a real detective here. Look for online reviews on neutral sites. Better yet, drive to one of their neighborhoods that's a year or two old. Find someone walking their dog and just ask them, how was it? Did they fix things when they broke? Their past performance is the #1 predictor of your future experience. All right, step 2, we're back to that contract. Like we said, this thing is written to protect them. Your job is to understand every single word. And look, if you're not a real estate attorney, you need to hire one to review it for you. A few $100 now could save you tens of thousands of dollars and an unbelievable amount of heartache down the road. Never, ever be afraid to ask for changes in writing. Step 3, get your money right. And I mean before you even think about walking into a model home. You have to get a full pre-approval from a lender. This tells you exactly what you can afford, including all those potential upgrades we talked about. You should also find a lender who has a lot of experience with new construction, because those loans can be a little different. And that brings us to Section 4, and honestly, this is the one. This is the single most important tool in your entire toolkit. Let's talk about the independent agent advantage, because this is the one decision that can change everything. It all boils down to one word: loyalty. Who is that agent really working for? That super friendly person sitting in the model home? They work for the builder. Their legal loyalty is to the builder. Their job is to sell that house for the most money possible for their boss. But an independent buyer's agent, they work for you. Their legal and ethical loyalty is to you. Their job is to protect your interests, to help you negotiate, and to be your champion from start to finish. They are on your team, and that makes all the difference in the world. I really want you to hear this. Let this sink in for a second. This one piece of advice can save you thousands, tens of thousands, even more. Having an expert who is 100% on your side, who knows what to look for, who can spot red flags in that contract, it's not a luxury. It is an absolute necessity. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This helps the channel grow. And check out the links in the description. If you're thinking about buying or selling, I can connect you with a top agent in your area. Or if you need life insurance, my team and I can help you anywhere nationwide. All right, let's pull all these threads together. This is Section 5, your blueprint for success. This is where we tie everything together into a clear, simple plan so you can move forward with total confidence. So here it is again, your checklist for a headache-free build. Let's run through it one more time. Number 1, do your research. Be a detective and find out the builder's real reputation. Number 2, understand the contract. Read every line and get a professional to help. 3, secure your financing early. Get pre-approved so you know your real budget. And number 4, the absolute game changer. Hire your own advocate. Get an independent agent on your side from day one. You follow these 4 steps and you completely change the game. Look, at the end of the day, it's this simple. Buying a new construction home does not have to be a gamble. It doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right prep work, the right information, and the right team fighting for you, it can absolutely be the incredible, rewarding dream you've always wanted it to be. We've laid it all out for you. You have the knowledge. You now have the blueprint for success. So the only question left is, are you ready to build your dream? If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This helps the channel grow, and check out the links in the description. If you're thinking about buying or selling, I can connect you with a top agent in your area. Or if you need life insurance, my team and I can help you anywhere nationwide.